How long should I leave my beer in the fermenter? Common question I get from a lot of new beginner homebrewers. An important question. We're going to cover it today. Going to answer it very quickly for you. Before we get going, Big Rob here from Making Beer Easy. Cheers. It is St. Patrick's Day. It's 10:30 in the morning, so this is one of these 0% Guinnesses, I'm ashamed to say, but I will be getting into the heavier ones a little later today, of course, in celebration of this glorious day. All right, guys, so what happens is within the first 24 to 36 hours, if not a little sooner, the fermenter takes off. We got the bubbling, we got the action, we got the air bubble, the airlock just bouncing like crazy, foam's coming out all over the place, everything's exciting, everything's great, things are working perfectly. After a few days, that dies down to nothing. New homebrewers say, oh, damn, look at that. We're good to go. Let's bottle this bad boy up. What happens then? Well, what happens is a lot of the sugars have not been consumed. So you're going to get a few things that happen. Carbonation is going to be all fact. You could have some bottle bombs, explosions, and I do have notes down here, so I'm taking a quick look here. Frankly, the beer is going to suck because you didn't let it condition. So what happens is now you can do grain to glass in 4 to 5 days. I just did a video on it. You can absolutely brew that bad boy and have her bottled or kegged in 4 to 5 days. The majority of the alcohol is produced in that time period. But again, it's not going to be the greatest. So you want to let it go. And what happens as you let it go is the yeast actually clears itself up. It takes care of a lot of the harsh off flavors that'll be there. The beer clarifies, a lot of the proteins, hop debris, what have you drop to the bottom. You're going to get a better conditioned beer. So answer the question very quickly. First I need a drink, talking too fast. Of course, the end determiner is using your hydrometer to see when you've reached your FG, final gravity. So always have a hydrometer on. If you don't have one, learn how to use it. You want to take your original gravity, and then you know what your final gravity is supposed to be, so you can test it every few days if you want to. I don't bother. This is Make Beer Easy, baby. I run that bad boy minimum 10 days to 2 weeks in the fermenter, even 3 weeks. If you're doing all grain, 10 to 2 weeks is great. One of my secrets for making beer kits taste better is to leave that bad boy in the fermenter, and I would do 3 weeks with a beer kit, a can of goo. So that's what I got, guys. Again, it's all going to be determined on the hydrometer. I wouldn't even start measuring my gravity until 7 days. I don't even measure it until the end now because I just don't give a shit. I'm just on a routine where every 2-3 weeks I'm brewing beer. I let them roll for 2 weeks, bottle her up, keg her up, whatever, and Bob's your uncle. So that's it, guys. Any questions, reach out to me. Real short video. Got some shite to do today. Drink some beers. And reach out if you got any questions. And for you new guys, subscribe to the channel because I do give a lot of no-nonsense homebrewing tips. I don't get into all the bullshit you don't need to know. I teach you how to make good tasting beer. Simply, made easy. So sign up, subscribe. And if you've been brewing a little bit, or if you're new and you think you're going to get into all grain brewing, I give away my personal top 5 best-selling beer recipes. So the recipes for my best-selling beers from the brew pub that I used to own. So you can get that. I'll put a link under here. It's over at my blog. That's what I got, guys. Reach out with any questions, any topics you want me to handle. That's what I got. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Get it in you. Yeah.